the tummy.
What? I'm still hungry.
If adventure is out there, Peter and his friends will find it.
With enough left over for sandwiches.
Catch brand new episodes of Peter Rabbit all this week at 12 on Nick.
Dora is the best thing ever. What can take us across the ocean? A sailboat. Why is Dora a great friend? She takes me on adventures. Let's go find our treasure. She shows me cool new things. And
The National Weather Service in Charlton has issued a tornado warning for portions of Jasper County in southeast South Carolina, Chatham County in southeast Georgia, until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Windsor Forest, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Some locations in the warning include Montgomery, White Bluff, Windsor Forest, I-16/95 interchange, Sandfly, Savannah, Thunderbolt, Garden City, Savannah Historic District, Report Hail, downed trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charlton National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.